Moreover, the book is engaging. Moreover, it provides deep insights into history. The experiment was successful. Moreover, it can be replicated easily. The team performed well. Moreover, their strategy was innovative. As well, the chef prepared dessert as well as a main course. I enjoy hiking as well as swimming. She took a part in the event as well as helped organize it. 2. She loves painting and she enjoys photography too. He not only bought snacks but drinks too. The dog was barking and the cat was making noise too. Additionally, the project requires funding. Additionally, it needs skilled labor. He offered to help with the presentation. Additionally, he volunteered to manage the budget. The app is user-friendly. Additionally, it's free to download. In addition, the meal was delicious. In addition, the service was excellent. She plays the piano beautifully. In addition, she is an amazing singer. The museum is educational. In addition, it's affordable for families. Furthermore, the proposal is practical. Furthermore, it aligns with our budget. The movie had great acting. Furthermore, the storyline was compelling. He is a talented athlete. Furthermore, he is a dedicated student. Likewise, she was impressed by his work ethic. Likewise, his leadership skills stood out. The weather was perfect for hiking. Likewise, it was ideal for photography. The first restaurant was fully booked. Likewise, the second one had no available tables. Besides, I don't feel like going out. Besides, it's raining. The shop is too expensive. Besides, their selection is limited. She didn't want to go to the party. Besides, she wasn't feeling well. On the top of that, he completed the assignment early. On the top of that, he helped his classmates. The restaurant had great food. On the top of that, the ambience was amazing. She won the competition. On the top of that, she was offered a scholarship. What's more, the house is spacious. What's more, it's located near a park. The team won the championship. What's more, they set a new record. The presentation was informative. What's more, it captivated the audience.